Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today I put the GoPro Hero 6 and the ThiEye T5e side by side. The ThiEye received a software update recently that improved the stabilization quality. In my opinion, now I can place it next to the Hero 6 and it does not have to be ashamed of its performance. This is a good example of how you can still improve your product even after the customers bought it and raise their satisfaction. This is something GoPro does, but not many of its cheaper competitors. It is good to see ThiEye taking this path. In my opinion, in situations where the vibrations on the images are moderate, the ThiEye does a good job. When it gets more shaky, like in this images while running, the GoPro clearly does a better job. What do you think?